If you let your vegetables go to seed, next season you won't have to worry about buying seeds, sowing times, frost dates, containers, grow lights, growing medium, markers, failing seedlings, hardening your seedlings, transplanting, and more. Instead, they'll reseed themselves and sprout at the right time, in the best spot for them. And if you live in milder climate, you may end up with fresh kale or lettuce still in winter months. Especially that kale, among others, is frost resistant. Of course, you can't rely on reseeding only, but it can be a useful and fun part of their gardening process.